Did a bot just steal my song? AI and the plagiarism paradox. Imagine a world where robots write poetry, compose symphonies, and even design the latest fashion trends. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, that future is here. But with this new wave of AI creativity comes a thorny issue: plagiarism. If an AI creates something that looks suspiciously like an existing work, is it theft? The AI copycat, inspiration, or infringement? AI algorithms, especially those used for generating creative content, learn by analyzing vast amounts of data. This data often includes copyrighted material like books, music, and artwork. By identifying patterns and structures within this data, the AI can then generate new content that mimics or combines these patterns. This raises some tricky questions. Where's the line? How do we distinguish between legitimate inspiration and outright plagiarism when an AI is involved? Human artists are often influenced by other works, but they add their own unique perspective and interpretation. Can we say the same for AI? The remix conundrum. Many AI-generated works are essentially remixes or mashups of existing material. Is this transformative enough to avoid being considered plagiarism, or is it simply a high-tech form of copying? Defining plagiarism in the age of algorithms. Traditionally, plagiarism is defined as presenting someone else's work or ideas as your own, with or without their consent, by incorporating it into your work without full acknowledgement. But this definition becomes blurry when applied to AI. Intent versus output. AI doesn't have intent in the human sense. It's simply following algorithms. So, can it be accused of plagiarism if it doesn't have the conscious intention to deceive? The black box problem. Sometimes it's difficult to trace exactly how an AI arrived at a particular output. This black box nature of some AI models makes it challenging to pinpoint the source of potential plagiarism. Assessing originality, a new set of standards. We need new ways to assess the originality of AI-generated works. Here are some factors to consider. Degree of similarity. How closely does the AI's output resemble existing works? A slight resemblance might be considered inspiration, while an almost identical copy would raise serious concerns. Transformative use. Has the AI added significant new expression or meaning to the source material? If the output is simply a rehash of existing work, it's more likely to be considered plagiarism. How much human input was involved in the creation process? If a human significantly guided the AI's output, it might be argued that the work is primarily a human creation. Navigating the legal maze. Copyright law is struggling to keep pace with these technological advancements. Some potential solutions include clearer guidelines. Establishing clearer guidelines for using copyrighted material in AI training and for assessing the originality of AI-generated works. Transparency and attribution. Encouraging transparency about the data used to train AI models and potentially requiring attribution to the original creators. New legal frameworks. Exploring new legal frameworks specifically designed for AI-generated works, which might involve different standards for copyright protection and plagiarism. The bottom line. The issue of AI and plagiarism is complex and multifaceted. There are no easy answers, but it's a conversation we need to have. As AI continues to become more sophisticated, we must develop new ways to protect creators, encourage innovation, and ensure fairness in the digital age. Otherwise, we might find ourselves in a world where robots are not only creating art, but also getting sued for stealing it.